Our buck, since we're back with Mavis, so we're not going to let her bother those ducks over there. If there's one thing you don't want, I've known of a couple cases in Orlando where people were dragged into ponds by their dogs chasing ducks. Good. Good girl. So I've got my foot on there, and now we're going to really start requiring the down. Our next goal in the sequence is going to be able to use the nick to make her down when she doesn't want to do it. And we've really done no correcting of the jumping up. As you can see, it's getting way better. Mavis. Turn my nick down to 20 right there. Down. I'm just going to add the nick. That's what we need to do, is start adding the nick. Good. On a little bit lower setting, just incorporating the nick into the dynamic. Good. Heel. Good. Heel. Down. Good. Add my nick right when I put my foot on there. Down. Good. Wonderful. Mavis. Good. Heel. Good. Down. See, I didn't put my foot on there that time, but I added the nick right at the right time. Down. So basically I'm using the nick right there to get her down. That's exactly where I need to be. More updates in.